This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today we're unboxing the Tranya Rimor Bluetooth True Wireless Earbuds. They give you about 8 hours of charge per earbud and about 32 extra hours in the case. We like that these come with multiple ear tips. It's sweat and waterproof. It's also USB Type-C charging capable, which we don't see a lot on the less expensive wireless headphones, but these are not that less expensive because they have 10mm drivers. As you can see, there's some extra space there for the extra sound hardware inside of the headphones, and the magnets are very strong, keeping them in place, which we like. So there's the case. It's nice and compact. Some of these are very large, but it fits just in a few fingers right there in the hand, so we like how small that is. And then in the accessory packet, you'll get the different ear tips. You'll get a USB Type-C cable for charging. So there's the charging cable right there. And you get the different ear gels right there. Plus, there are ear gels on it already. So you get 3 different sets, different sizes for whatever you need. And then some more information about the headphones, the earbuds right here, right on the back, and you can pause the video and check that out at your leisure. So this is the Tranya Rimor Bluetooth True Wireless headphones. Comes with 10mm drivers, sweat and waterproof. We like that they're small, but also have enough space to fit all the extra audio gear that's on them. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.